Get it?
No, hold on.
Wait. Now you gotta shake that ass for me, baby. No, she ain't.
We be cooking on the one.
He's cooking and popping it and locking it and dropping it. Oh shit, baby.
No. That's too class for y'all.
Did you know I was recording?
That's right, my nigga.
Did you know I was recording the whole time? How do you feel about Facebook?
Here's how I feel about Facebook. Watch this, Facebook. This is the CBE City Boys ENT. I don't give a fuck. I act how I want to. And if anybody got a problem with it, come find me. Respect it or check.
I want to see the booty pop though. Do it.
Alright, this
Do it
for
on
the
camera.
bitches. This ain't for no fag ass niggas or no beater offers. No 62-year-old niggas jacking it off on the computer. You ready?
Get it.
Do it.
That's too high class for y'all. Like caution shit.
Oh.
Too high class.
So I don't want
Hammer. How do you feel?
I feel like I'm in a very bad predicament right now.